Alright, so multiple income funnel. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my YouTube video ranking strategy that I'm going to try and see if I can get one of my videos to rank in the top 3, top 4 on YouTube. You got a lot of marketers on here that have a lot of experience as far as with YouTube marketing. So I'm just going to try to get my video on here as well for the keyword multiple income funnel. I don't know what I just said. I said something. I don't know what I said, but Moku, something like that. But anyway, as you see, as I scroll up here, my video's on there one time there, maybe because I'm logged in. But if I go incognito right quick, click on new incognito window and go to YouTube, and I'm gonna see if I can find myself. Now, the reason why I'm shooting this video about multiple income funnel and this ranking on YouTube strategy is simply because it's free, to make a YouTube video. If you don't have any recording software or anything like that, you can get software called Screencast-O-Matic. You can get this. It's free for you to record. Only thing is, it just has Screencast-O-Matic's branding on it. So if you don't want the branding on it, what I mean is when you record a video, it's going to have this logo on it. And I believe you're only limited to maybe 5, 6, 7 to 10 minutes of recording if you got the free version. But if you upgrade for only $12 for the year or $15 for the year, you don't have that branding on it, and you can record longer videos. Now, I'm not going into full detail on how to rank this video, but I am going to give you some nuggets that you can go off of. And for those of you that join my team, I will go into more in depth about how you can rank a video first page of YouTube amongst all of these legends, these people that have huge followings, these people that have a lot of subscribers, these people that have a lot of influence in the industry. Now, me personally, I'm one of the small guys. I don't have a lot of influence in the industry. I haven't built large organizations. I haven't made a lot of money in the online space around the Easy 1-Up product or the TechSpot product. I haven't made a lot of money with that. So as I scroll down here, I'm looking for my video, and I don't see my video at all, right? So I'm not showing in the top 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's top 12. And then right here we got something like people also watched. Then down here is the rest of the videos. So I don't see myself. I'm way down here somewhere, right? Way right here. So I don't want my video down there. I want to be up here at the top where I can get seen. So my strategy to get myself up there is using Fiverr. I'm going to use something called social signals. Now, these social signals are from these high social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus. It used to be around, but it's no longer around, and Pinterest. By getting shares on these platforms, it allows you to get signals sent to your video, and then in turn it tells Google that your video has some form of popularity, and therefore it'll show it more. So there's several different variables that causes your video to rank as far as search engine optimization is concerned. But all I want you to do is just follow along, and I'm going to show you what to buy after you get your video done. A key that I want to give you before you start trying to rank a video is that once you create your video, you want to save it as the keyword that you want to rank for. So let's take a look at this one. So it says multiple income funnel. The keyword that I want to rank for is multiple income funnel. So I have it in the video description or title, if you will, as multiple income funnel. So we're gonna hit properties on that, and as you see, it says multiple income funnel. So I have the video saved as the keyword. I want to make that clear. And then another important thing too is to have the keyword like he has here, multiple income funnel, and the title. You also want to have multiple income funnel in the description as well. And you also want to have multiple income funnel in the tags too. So as I go down here to the back office of YouTube, where you can see all of your videos, what I'm looking for here is to show you that I have those in there. So I got multiple income funnel there. Let's see if I can break it down a little bit further. Here we go. Hit this right here. You can see multiple income funnel there. I tried to sprinkle another keyword in as far as review. Multiple income funnel in my description. And as I scroll down here some more, hit show more right there. I have multiple income funnel inside of my tags as well. Multiple income funnel review inside my tags too. So that's off in there. Alright, so I got everything as far as the SEO is concerned off in here. So I got multiple income funnel review as the file name. I couldn't figure out how to say it earlier, but you know, I can come through here and put multiple income funnel review right here, multiple income funnel review right here, and I also can come down here and make my first tag say multiple income funnel as well. Multiple income funnel review, VIW, like that. And then the other one disappeared, so that's cool, and hit save. Alright, so this is a little SEO for you, you know, without going into detail about everything. You know, I'm just briefly covering it and going over it, but if you want to have a more in-depth discussion on it, we can. But I want to make this video short, so already 7 minutes 47 seconds in. I'm going to buy this from Fiverr right here. I'm going to get the basic package, 1,000 signals. You got the standard, 2,000 signals. You got the premium. You got 3,600 signals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the basic for $5. I'm going to hit continue to check out. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and confirm and pay. And then the video I want to rank, I'm going to go and get it. So let's see. Here's the video I want to rank, which is this one. Yep, this one right here. So I'm going to play on YouTube. Pause that. Let's see. Yeah, this video right here, I'm going to get this one. I'm going to go here. I'm going to give this person a URL like so. I'm going to hit this, and I'm going to hit start order like that. So I'm going to get my social signals up, and once that's done, you know, I'm going to check the ranking in a couple of days from now, and then I'll be able to tell if this actually did me any justice. So with that being said, this is one of my YouTube ranking strategies, one of the sources that I use with Fiverr to get my video ranked. I'm going to do a lot more videos about this, just updating you guys on the progress when it comes to ranking a video amongst all these internet legends. So I look forward to seeing you guys at the bank. If you're interested in multiple income funnel, which has 5 income sources inside of it, then I suggest you just click the link below this video. Partner with me in multiple income funnel and start making this paper. And also, for those of you that join my team, I'm gonna have a YouTube strategy for you that's free. Peace and blessings.